H2. Chris and a H2 finna line up. Jixter 1000. H2. You might want to walk on down here. Jixter and a H2. Let's see what this grand do. It's going down. Jixter and a H2. I don't know who's on what side, but we finna see. They burning out right now. Hear that damn supercharger spooling. We finna get it on. We finna get it on. Block it off. Some dumbass drove between them. Some dumbass drove between them. Ain't this about a bit? Really, dog? They go. Chris pulled that motherfucker. Chris pulled that H2. Chris pulled that H2 to deal. Great day.